In this lesson, I will show you how you hide files and folders with a command prompt. So let's start. So first, I'll get a file and a folder on the desktop. So enter the desktop directory, and then here I'll make it folder, and I'll make a file too. So as you see, we have made a folder and a file on our desktop. So before doing so, I'll go to the folder and search options, and then be sure to check don't show hidden files, folders or drives, and also to tick mark the hide protected operating system files. Then now here we'll hide this file, the test file. So we use the command attrib, then we type the name of the file that you want to hide, and here it is test.txt. Then we want to hide it, then we type +H and we press enter, and you see we made the file hidden. To show the hidden files, we go to the folder, and then we go to folder and search options, and then we go to the view tab, and here we check the show hidden files, folders and drives, and then we apply it, and you see it showed to us the hidden files. So again, now we will unhide this file. So again we type the same command attrib, then we type the name file here and it's test.txt. Then instead of typing +H, we type -H, and we press enter, and you see the file became unhidden. So again we'll go to the folder search options, to the view tab, then we check here don't show hidden files, folders or drives. So to make the file more hidden and more secure, we type the same command here attrib, then the file name, and here is test, then we type +H, and then with +H we also type +S, and that makes this file hidden, and also it makes it a system file. So we press enter, and you see we hide the file. So again we go to the folder, and to the view tab, and here we check the show hidden files, folders and drive, and when you apply it, it won't show to us the hidden files and the system files that are hidden. So I apply it, and you see the file is been hidden till now. So to unhide this file, go to organize, and you go to view tab, and here we uncheck hide protected operating system files, because we made that file a system file plus a hidden file. So we uncheck it, we press on yes, and then we apply it, and you see it showed to us the test file. Press OK. So here now we will unhide this file and get it out of the system files. So we type the same command attrib, then test.txt, then -H, then -S. So press enter, and again we got this file out of system files, and we unhide these files. So I'll go here, and again I'll make it as normal. So we check this and we check this too. So I apply it, and you see you unhide this file and get this file out of system files. So this is how you hide your files and folders, the command prompt, and how you make a file a system file.